How to pay with cash on Doordash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can pay with cash on Doordash. For this, launch open the Doordash app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to pay with cash on Doordash, you want to make sure that the item you select has the cash option over there. Only some merchants will enable the cash on delivery option, so you want to be sure that you select that. Now find the item you want to purchase. After that, tap on this plus icon. Now tap on this add item option. Then tap on view cart. Now we want to check your order summary over here. If you have a promotional code, you can add it over here as well. Now go ahead and tap on the continue option. Now below, you want to tap on the option of payment. Here, if you have the cash option, go ahead and tap on that. You will only have the cash option if the merchant of this item has enabled the cash option. If there is the cash option, tap on that and then you can simply place your order. When the order arrives, you can simply pay with cash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.